We're now going to discuss the different types of bleeds. First, we'll discuss your beating heart and what's actually happening inside. There are two sides to the heart. The right side pumps blood into the lungs where it's oxygenated, then it goes back into the heart on the left-hand side where it's pumped out through the arteries. This oxygen-rich blood is under pressure and it's pumped in pulses out of the heart. As the blood is oxygen-rich, it's bright red in colour. From the arteries, it travels to your body's organs and capillaries, and then it heads back through your venous system to the heart. The blood in the venous system is not under pressure, it's not pulsing, and it's heading back to the heart to be reoxygenated. This blood is dark red in colour as the oxygen has been used. With first aid, a cut that is pulsing and the blood is bright red, this is likely to be an artery cut. Depending on how and what artery is cut will depend on whether you see a slight pulsing as it comes out or an obvious blood spurt. A cut that has dark red blood that's not pulsing but flowing is a cut to a vein. A cut that's oozing and is easily stopped is a cut to the capillary. Artery cuts are very serious because blood is coming out at pressure. They're going to lose a lot of blood, which is hard to stop, and they're going to shock very quickly. Venous bleeds are again a serious bleed, as the patient loses a lot of blood quickly, and as there are a lot of blood being lost, it's hard to stop. Capillary bleeds are less serious as they're easier to stop, but they can also be serious depending on where they are and how large they are. The final type of bleeding that's worth mentioning is internal bleeding, and we'll cover this in the section under shock. Internal bleeding is where you have a bleed inside your body. As it's internal, there's not a lot you can do to treat the bleed, but we would treat them for shock by laying them down and elevating their legs.